So I think skilling, as you know, in India we are very nascent, and I think what the skill development councils are doing a down up structuring of enhancing skills, certifying skills, and working closely with industry. So it's more government initiative with the industry uh, participants or stakeholders, and it's been enlarged from rubber to chemicals and petrochemicals to become now an enhanced body of the development council. And I think first we are initiating what you said to standardize the operational side, make SOPs which are very clean and clear, very simple to understand at ground level. Skill demand in our country, even if we have a conservative growth of 6 or 8% uh, annualized, is huge. Yeah, and we have a lot of people, but we also need the right skill, and I think that's going to be the next imperative focus of the government is to get the right skill for the job which is available. The pandemic has definitely taught all industries like our own industry and say the ARI as an association that dependence on as medium and small enterprises, our dependencies, the pivots are very few or the fulcrums are very few. They're compact entrepreneur driven organization having very few top people all working at really highly responsible jobs. The pandemic has taught isolation, concerns of lack of travel. That means having proper succession planning, having clear reviews, identifying what you said, talent in your earlier question, identifying the talent and encouraging them to retain, grow, and flower has become an imperative need for the small and medium enterprises. I think we look at skill to grab from large organizations, say small and medium organizations, normally in manufacturing, what my experience is, always have either their supply chain or and their customers both, which are much larger than them. And historically, that means they have access to processes, systems, review mechanisms, identification of how to actually, reward and appreciate the talent which you have, because the outside is the best way for you to get recognition for the inside. So I encourage in this time, at least we have been encouraging at ARI to go onto the virtual platform, encourage vendor meets on a broader cross-functional teams participating, having shared goals, problems, solutions, which are much more what you said at an enterprise level, because small and medium enterprises are not enterprises, but they aim to become enterprises. Yeah, and so for me, that this has been a guiding force through the association, through the development council, as well as internally in the organization, to encourage to understand the shortcuts required to start looking as an enterprise. Yeah, truly, the pandemic has taught that we must delegate, encourage the mid-level or the junior level to start skilling and be able to perform at the high level, because the pandemic can paralyze you whichever way, and it's unpredictable. And we are yet partly in the COVID situation. So I think we have to take short-term measures, like you said. And the question is pertinent for the small and medium enterprise. We cannot afford to keep hiring. We need to focus on identifying talent, retaining it, and multi-skilling it by cross-functionality. So that's the mantra I think most of the organizations are doing, and the development council is helping the bottom side of workers and supervisors and up to close to manager levels to really be certified, so that they at least know that they are having a quality which is otherwise in most of the small and medium organizations not even structured into their job profile. Yeah. So thank you.